to eat? Come on, everybody. Come on, everybody. Yeah, my babies are here to eat. Yay. Scared? Yeah. Wow, you babies are getting so big. Look at how big you're getting. Don't worry, baby mama. It's okay, mama. Oh, she doesn't want that one to eat. I don't know what he did. I'm going to put some way out there for him. They don't want him to eat. Come on, bud. Run back. Quick, 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 quick. Grab it. Oh! Here. Here, here, here. You got some. Yay. Chew it. This one's a little moister. That one's not moist enough. Here, try this one. They like moister bread and don't like it too, like... I got a lot of water on this one. Here, try this one. Oh, that one's so much better, isn't it? Oh, yeah. Help the babies. Well, I think there's a couple over by the bird feeder. So they were, anyway. It's hard to tell anymore. They're getting so big. It's okay. It's okay. He's not a stranger. Yeah. It's okay, baby mama. She's like, all right, fine.
That's the best thing about these guys, is that they don't crap on the grass like the Canadian geese do.
It's okay, baby mama. You done? They're done. Goodbye. Have a nice night. Thank you very much. Or for everybody else.